What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan, and what's your name?
Ringwood.
What's your name?
Ringwood.
What's your name?
Ringwood.
That's right. And you are watching Ryan and Rae make ice cream. And tonight we've got something very special for you. We are going to do a Christmas themed ice cream because it's almost Christmas time. So tonight we're gonna make peppermint chocolate ice cream with some marshmallows thrown in. Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like chocolate ice cream? Good, me too. So we're gonna show you how to. It's super easy and we're just gonna have a lot of fun with it. So let's say, let's go.
Let's go.
All right, so first things first, Rae, what do we need?
Chicken.
Sugar! That's right. So we've got our sugar right here. How much sugar do you think we should put in?
Big.
Big sugar. So for this, we'll put in about a half a cup. Is that enough? Okay. So pour it in. All right, and Rae's gonna put it in. Good job. Thank you, thank you. All right, so now we've got the sugar in there. What do we need next?
Milk.
Milk, that's right. We've got our whole milk right here. I'm gonna shake it up. And we're going to put 1 cup of milk in here.
1 cup.
1 cup. So we'll pour it in. All right, so we've got our 1 cup, and now Reagan is going to pour it in. Good job. Oh, nice. You make a mess? All right. Back at it. So now we've got our sugar, we've got our milk. What's next?
Cream.
Cream! That's right. And this time we are going to use not 1, but 2 cups of cream. So we'll pour it in. We've got our 2 cups of cream. And Daddy's gonna pour it in. You wanna help? All right, cool. You can help. Oh, yeah, a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, a little bit more. Still a little bit more. Yeah, you can drink it. So now we've got our sugar, we've got our milk, we've got our cream, and next, what are we gonna use?
What's my sound?
We will use those at the end. But for now, we're actually gonna use our chocolate mix. And what I love to use is Chocolate Peppermint Twist from Silly Cow Farms in Vermont. It's some of my favorite hot chocolate mix that I use for all my hot chocolate here. And honestly, for ice cream, this is super good.
Put it in the cup.
Yeah, we'll put it in the cup. And there we go. We'll show our friends. We are going to pour a half a cup, maybe a little more than half a cup to get it real nice and chocolatey. Does that sound good? Yeah.
That's chocolate.
Yeah, it's peppermint chocolate. So there we go. We've got our half cup of peppermint chocolate twist or chocolate peppermint twist. It's got a really good peppermint flavor. It's just a hint of it. It's just enough of what we need. So Ray's going to pour this in. Nice. There we go. I will take that. So we have this, and I think now it's time for us to go over to the ice cream station, and we are going to mix it up. Does that sound good to you? All right, cool. Let's go. So we've got our mixture right over here, and it's time to mix it. You want to move it over there? I will hold it as well, just in case. We'll put that on, and Rae is going to get it mixing. Oh, left side. There we go. And we will let that mix for about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit longer in this case with all the chocolate. And then we'll come back in just a minute.
Turn off.
What's that?
Turn off.
Oh, not yet. We'll keep it going for a little bit. All right, so it's been mixing for about 5 minutes or so. So now we are going to turn it off and we're going to test it out. She's going to test it out. Get a good scoop. All right, you want to turn to the camera, tell your friends what you think? Louder!
Louder!
Say yum!
Yum.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. All right. You want more? Oh, can Daddy try it? All right, cool. That was perfect. It's got just the right amount of peppermint. Got a great chocolate flavor. Love this. Ray's obviously going in for more, so she loves it. So we're gonna keep it mixing, and up next we're going to get the cold bowl. All right. Here's Ray's favorite part of the night. We've got the cold bowl. Ray's gonna test it. Is it good? Good. So as Ray tests it out a little bit more, ooh, that's pretty cold, baby. Our mix is done. So what we're gonna do?
Wait, try it.
Oh, we already tried it. All right.
Wait, try it.
Tried that. What do you think?
Hold on.
All done. All right, I'll take that.
Try that one.
Oh, we already tried that one. All right, and now we're going to pour it in to the cold bowl. We're gonna put the top on. Ray, you want to turn it on? Oh, she's busy. So I will turn it on. We're gonna set that for 25 minutes while Ray finishes all that. Say cheese. All right, guys, so it's been about 25 minutes. Our ice cream looks super good. I think it's done. So that means it's time for us to try it. So, Ray, you want to turn it off? All right, so we're gonna give Ray the first taste, and we are going to let her get the first scoop. You ready? All right, here you go. All right, so get a good scoop. All right, Ray, look to the camera and tell our friends what you think.
Yeah.
Yum! It's Ray approved! So, now we'll take this and we're gonna move over to our table and we're gonna put it into our bowl and we're gonna add one last special ingredient.
What's this?
Alright, so we're back. If you can't tell, her hair's a little bit different. We had to wash all that chocolate out of her hair and a little bit off the face. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Good. But now we are all set. We've got our cold bowl with all of our ice cream inside. So now I think it's time to put the chocolate ice cream into here along with one more special ingredient. You ready?
Yeah.
Cool, let's do it. We'll take our big scoop. Wow, what do you think? Lick it. You have some a little bit. So you can see just how good that is. Nice and thick. And we will pour that in. Like I said, we also need our special ingredient. I don't know about you, Ray, but I love hot cocoa, especially in the Christmas time. And what hot cocoa really needs is some mini marshmallows. We brought some mini marshmallows so we can pour in. So, well, not the whole thing. If you want to take a couple and pour in here, well, you can use your hand. All right. You can do more than one at a time. There you go. Well, that's a big one. And what we will do is we will mix all that in together. Is that good? If Ray doesn't eat it all. That's gotta have some too. And we'll mix it all in together so we can have not hot cocoa, but cold cocoa. There we go, we'll mix that all together. And more. You eat all the marshmallows? Oh. There you go. Nice. So there you have it. Peppermint chocolate ice cream, better known as peppermint cocoa because it's got the marshmallows in there. It's super good. We love it. Ray's gonna finish the rest of this. We're gonna get ready for bed and we're going to have a great time. So I think that is it for now. But until next time, what do we say to our friends?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Can I have some?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, is that for me? You want some? Okay. Oh, that's a big bite.